Want to know how to update Facebook? Updating Facebook ensures that your Facebook experience is secure and efficient while staying on the top of the latest innovation. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to update Facebook. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Play Store app on your screen. Then tap on the magnifying glass icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar at the top of your screen and search for Facebook. Likewise, here you can see the update option. Tap on it. It might take few seconds for the app to be updated. Finally, you can use the updated version of Facebook by tapping on the open button. So this is how to update Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.